Hi, in this video I will show you how to enter setup on the OVERMAX Multipic 3.5 projector and change the language. First thing you need to do is to use the arrows on the projector's remote to select setup and click OK to enter it. Then you need to go to the advanced settings, go down to the language and use side arrows to change the language. As you can see, you can choose many different languages. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.